friends, namaste and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Neha and name of my YouTube channel is Let's Talk About Accounting. Now today I would like to explain you that how you have to pass your GST entry when you are in a construction industry and you have received advances from your customer. Okay, just remember that if you are in a construction industry and you have not made any agreement to sell or any sale date, then whatever amount you are receiving from your customer, it should be accounted as advances only. Okay, it's not your sale. And at the end of the year, you have to use the percentage completion method and should realize it as a sale. Alright, but right now, whatever amounts you are receiving from your customer, it should be reflected as advance received only. Okay, and on that you have to make a payment of GST. Now, if you have opted for new 1% GST payment transactions, then how you have to pass your GST entry? Okay, alright, then I would like to tell you one example that in this case I have received 1,50,000 from my customer. Okay, and I have to make a payment of 1% as GST on advances received. So how I would be passing my entry? Okay, go to this 1,50,000, then directly and you have to make your entry in journal. Now I received 1,50,000 from that customer on 27th August. So I will be making my entry on 27th August only by you have to debit your customer. I will debit it for 1,500 because 1% of 1,50,000 comes to 1,500. Okay. So CGST 1%. Okay, it's my outward CGST and I will be paying it as 750 and to SGST 1% 750. Okay, so being GST charged GST for 1,50,000 1%, which comes to 1,500, out of which 750 will be CGST and 750 will be SGST. All right, accept this entry. And you would see that for 1,50,000 I made a GST payable as 1,500, and this will be your GST which you have to make a payment in your succeeding month. As it is for 27/8, it means it is for the month of August. In my September return, I have to declare my 1,50,000 as advances received and I have to make an entry of 1,500 for GST payment. Alright, so this was about how you would be making your GST entry if you are in a construction industry and how you will be making your GST entry on advances received from your customer. Okay friends, so this was about GST entry if you are in a construction industry. Thank you for watching my video. Do subscribe my YouTube channel for more accounting related videos. Thank you so much.